Hi there, friends. I'm Ms. Teal from the San Diego Children's Discovery Museum at Escondido, California. I'm an educator who likes to teach children through creative play. Today, I am dressed up as a bat. They've been around with us for 50 million years. And because of that, Mother Nature has given bats superpowers. All bats, whether they're the size of the 1-inch bumblebee bat or the great big flying fox of South America, have one thing in common. It's the first adaptation that Mother Nature gave bats all those years ago when they dropped out of the trees and began to fly. What's super cool about the bat is their wings, of course. The skin that stretches from their shoulder and in between each finger like an umbrella and over to their feet is called the patagium. This patagium can change shapes very easily. That lets the bat dive and catch insects very easily. If you were a bat, you could fly up to 90 miles per hour. Not all bats eat insects. Some love to drink nectar from flowers. They're still big helpers to humans. They help pollinate flowers, and they do that by going and visiting a flower, drinking some of that nectar, and getting some of that pollen stuck to their bodies. The next time they go to visit a flower, they give that flower some of the pollen that came from the other plant that they saw that day. The other thing that all bats share is they're nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals live at night. If you're a little bat, that helps you avoid big predators like eagles and hawks. Bats use echolocation to locate objects with sound, ultrasonic noises that you and I really can't hear with our listening ears. I'm going to be using a ball to stand in for the ultrasound that bats make. Now, if the sound comes back to me really fast, that means the object is not too far away from me. I can touch that insect and catch it right now. If I'm far away from that insect, my ultrasonic sound should take longer to come back to me. Shall we try that? You can do this at home. Just close your eyes and listen with your fuzzy listening ears and see if I am close or far away from the insect. Close your eyes. Here's the second sound. Which do you think was close by? And which was the sound that came back to me, letting me know that I have to fly a good long distance to get to that insect? Bats are so awesome. They have superpowers that help them locate insects at night called echolocation. Well, it's been fun dressing up and playing like I had the superpowers of a bat today with you. For more online activities that get your children's hearts, bodies, hands, and minds moving, go to www.online.sdcdm.org, and we'll see you next time for another Nature Talk.